to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly.
Me in, suffocating every time it locks me in, painting their own pictures and they crop me in, but I will remain where the top begins, cause I am not a word, I am not a line, I am not a girl that can ever be defined, I am not fly, I am levitation, I represent an entire generation.